Hey there, I'm Freddie Wong and I'm excited to share with you some awesome ways to use sound effects to make your videos even better. Using sound effects can allow you to take your videos to a whole new level by transporting your audience to another dimension. We probably spend equal, if not more time doing sound effects. So I would say sound effects are probably one of the most important things of your show is like 90%. What are sound effects? The most exciting thing about sound effects, where should you put sound effects? About how sound effects can help you convey your story. How can sound effects increase your production value? How can sound effects simply fill in the gap? And talking about sound design is something that happens part of the movie, because this is something that you should be thinking about every step of the process. So from script writing stage, create your blueprint / plan for sound design. Maybe there's a mood we're trying to go sound effects, watching sound waves. Lots of ways to get sound. If you're doing search for ground steps, try expanding your search terms. Additionally, there's a bunch of sound. If you're really not finding the sound that you like, well, that's on you. Have some music, play around with the levels of library. The key to searching for sounds, though, is sold by that sound effect. Everything from the CG troll monster in VGHS Season 3 to the gunshots and the punches and the fight sounds that we do in the video, like who's playing today. I found a lot of times just having the right sound effect